Hello everyone, this is your Professor Trajkovic. Welcome to ELAI990 class. I look forward to meeting you all. The purpose of this video is to tell you a little bit about this course, to show you where you can find everything in Blackboard or Teams, whatever you need for this class. And of course, once you watch this video and once you read everything I posted for you in Start Here sections, I would very much appreciate if you could let me know if you have any questions or concerns. So let's get started. This is our homepage. The announcements are here. Anything important comes up, I am going to be posting it here in announcements. So you should be checking this daily. When you need to see me, you can schedule a meeting, and there's a link here that says schedule a meeting. Once you click on it, it shows you when I'm available, which is pretty much every single work day during this summer 2 term. When you click on a date when you need to see me, you will see the options. So my office hours for now are 9 to 11 a.m. When you schedule with me, you're basically scheduling to see me for about half an hour. Later on, when we start working on your essays, you might need to schedule full hour with me, which is perfectly fine. Once you click on the time you want to see me, you click on confirm and I get a notification that you scheduled with me. It's that easy. If something changes, you can always go back and reschedule, or cancel a meeting. When the time comes for us to meet, you are going to click on office hours Zoom link. And this is going to pop up. You are going to open your Zoom and we will meet in Zoom. Another option would be meeting in Teams, which is something that I'm going to go over a little bit later. It really depends on what you feel more comfortable with using and what you install maybe on your laptop or your computer or your phone. Next is syllabus. Syllabus is here. You can download it, save it on your computer, read it carefully. Syllabus is a very important document. It is basically a contract between you and I, so please do take it very seriously. That is where you will learn about what you can expect from this class, how you're going to be graded, and similar. So very, very important information. What I need you to do during the first week of this term that starts on Monday, July 11th and ends on Sunday at midnight, Sunday, July 17th, is this Start Here section with the diagnostic. Please take this very seriously. I need you to read this very carefully. The video that I'm recording right now is going to be uploaded right here in the introduction section, so you can watch it as many times as you need. All the information here is important. You have 26 pages to read carefully. I need you to go over everything. You have very important information about this course, how this course is organized. For some of you who are taking classes with ELAP for the first time, some of this information might be very important. These are the courses you can also take at the same time you're taking ELAI990 class. I have some tips here for you on how to be successful in this class in particular. Here you can find information on how to navigate this course. So basically it's like this video, but everything is pretty much written down. You have also videos on how to check your grades, how to upload in Blackboard. So you do need to watch all of these videos very carefully. Syllabus is here again, and the reason it's here again is because I really need to make sure that you not only read it very carefully, but show me that you read it. Every single part of the syllabus here. Once you read it, you're going to need to click on Mark Reviewed. That is going to show me that you really read this very carefully. And when you click on Mark Reviewed, you also, in a way, sign our contract. And I definitely need you to do this by the end of the first week of the term, so July 17th midnight. So every single page, once you read it, click on Mark Reviewed. This is how you're going to be graded. All of the most important information from the syllabus. So not entire syllabus is here. The most important information from the syllabus is here. Next, I have some information on classroom technology. These are some of the apps that we will be using. Now, you do not have to, I just want to make sure you understand, you do not have to download all of these apps. It is completely up to you. But if you do download these apps on your phone, if you do have a smartphone, this might make your life much easier, as well as communication with me and the rest of your classmates. So there is a Microsoft Office, which is basically where you get your emails. And then Blackboard app, you can actually download this app and you can get easy access to everything you have in Blackboard here. Next would be Flipgrid. Flipgrid is where you're going to be recording your presentations, parts of the discussion, and your introduction to this class. And then Teams. Teams is another app that you get access to through Montgomery College. Next, I will need you to complete your first assignments. So one of the assignments is complete your student information sheet. The link is here. You need to click on it and enter some basic information about yourself. In Microsoft Office, what I ask you to do is email me if you have any trouble understanding anything you need to do during the first week of this term. Or if you need to notify me about anything that might affect your performance in this class. Everything that you put in that email or any email that you send to me stays between us. But if there is anything that might be affecting your performance, I should know about it. In Flipgrid, you will need to respond to the first topic. So I recorded myself, and you can watch that first video, and then I expect you to record yourself following this link. Every single time you see something in blue underlined, that is a link, and you can click on it and watch it. So this is my video in Flipgrid, and then okay, it took me all the way back. Sorry about that. Let's go to start here section again. So first assignments. This is the link where you need to click to record yourself. And that needs to be done by midnight, Sunday, July 17th. In discussions, you need to respond to the first topic. Please do always read the instructions very carefully. Discussions is right here. So when you click on discussions, this is what I'm asking you to do. I'm asking you to tell us a little bit more about yourself. I have specific questions about certain things. Some of the things I'd like to know is the languages you speak, how long you've been in the United States, what is it that you really like or maybe worry about when it comes to being an immigrant in this country. But I'd also like to learn about your future goals, what kind of career you plan to have, and similar. Another thing that I'm asking everyone to do is by the end of the week to respond to at least 2 classmates' posts. The reason this is set up, all of this is set up, is this is a distance learning class. So we are not meeting in person. We're not meeting, all of us meeting at the same time in Zoom. And I need you to get used to communicating with each other. So these are very, very important assignments, and I expect that everybody will be completing everything, and of course in timely manner as well. So what do I mean by that? So if we go back to first assignments, you will see that I give you very specific time frames. So your first post about yourself should be completed by midnight, Wednesday, July 13th. And then you should respond to your classmates, 2 other classmates, by midnight, Sunday, July 17th. So this gives you time to read each other's posts and to respond to them. When you respond to each other, one thing that I put in discussions is in instructions is make sure that you have couple of sentences. If you have any questions, ask your classmates those questions, post comments and similar. And then finally, you will need to take the diagnostic test. The diagnostic test is not posted yet. It is going to be posted on or opened on July 11th at midnight. And then you need to complete your diagnostic. It's very important that you complete your diagnostic by midnight, Wednesday, July 13th. Because I will need to read your diagnostic tests and give you some feedback by the end of that week. So please make sure that you pay attention to the dates very carefully, that you read the instructions very carefully. If you have any questions or concerns, I am here for you. Remember, the first step would be email me. That's very important. Please send an email first, and then if you feel like you need to talk to me, remember that there's more than one option. I might not be available to answer my phone during the first week of the semester, but I am certainly going to be available to you via Zoom or Teams. So Zoom is right here. The link is right here. There's one more thing that I need to show you, and that is when you get to our Montgomery College MyMC page, your email is right here. When you click on email, this is where you will find Teams. You have the little dots here next to my MC sign. When you click on those dots, you see all these different apps available to you. You need to click on Teams. When you get to Teams, of course, you're not going to see this many teams. You might not have any other but that one that I actually created for us, and that's ELAI990 2022 Summer 2 class. When you click on it, for now there's nothing really here. I am going to be posting some conversations here, and a good thing about Teams is you can, as I already mentioned, it's an app. You can download it on your phone, and then once you do, you can chat with me. You can just send me messages like you normally would on your phone, and you can also call me. I am trying to make this as easy for you as possible, but it might be that I'm still missing some things. So again, if you have any questions or concerns, please do not hesitate to contact me. I very much look forward to hearing from you and answering whatever questions you might have. This is going to be a wonderful summer term. I have no doubts about that. And again, I very much look forward to meeting you all. I just want to remind you once again, so when you go to Blackboard, this is where you find, of course, you're going to see all these different courses, but well, for me, it's a little bit down the road. Our course is right here, 16452. Once you open it, this is where you get. Good luck with everything. If you have, once again, any questions or concerns, do not hesitate to get in touch with me. I very much look forward to you all.